standard, bruh. I'm alive! What the frick?
All right, let's watch some Moto GP.
Smooth, baby. Whoa! Oh, shit. Did you see her hair fly like, ah! This guy.
Episode 2, Riders React. We're back. Episode 1, it's huge success. We're back again with 2 brand new guests. Ladies, thanks for joining us.
Hi.
Thank you for having us.
We're gonna watch some clips and we're gonna react to them, make fun of some people. It's all in good spirit. An important thing, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It helps us be able to do more of these. It helps more people see it, so much appreciated. Clip 1, let's jump into it.
Okay.
All right.
Ooh.
This is a dude just out on a ride, right?
Yeah.
No big deal. What's gonna happen?
Super fast.
Ah! Sorry.
Did you see that?
Oh my fucking.
Yeah.
That happened so fast.
Yeah. Look how close he was to that
That's
other rider.
sketchy. They were going so fast.
Look at me, I know.
Does it
Dude,
show how
it
fast
says
they're going?
142.
That's crazy.
Is that kilometers per hour or is it
bet,
miles per
honey.
hour?
Well, those open roads, you know, you can just go.
And this isn't sped up, right? This is the actual.
That's the actual footage. The good
That's
news,
so
I guess it
scary.
happened so quickly, the guy had no time to react. And so he was in a perfect line to go straight through those other guys. It worked out great.
Even in those straightaways, I never go that fast because I always imagine something's gonna come out at me.
I know one guy who lost his leg because he hit a deer and he cut the deer in half with his bike and his person. Lost his leg in the accident, but the deer was blown in half.
Oh my gosh, that's terrifying.
Absolutely
No
insane.
way.
All right, so dude's on a dirt bike, just out on a country road, right? Where there's no danger of 2 street bikes coming at you.
Yeah, chill. Oh, it looks like I'm alive! Oh my god! Oh! I have done this.
You've
just
done that?
walking,
Oh,
and
this
it hurts.
Just walking. There, he dented the gate. Look at that dent. He absolutely dented the gate. The dude's all right though. He gets up and he's like, "Oh,
That's his brand new bike. You can tell it's freaking new. Look at his first scratches on his beautiful.
Look at this. Oh,
Wow.
yeah. The phone took the brunt of it. What if it's like in all those stories in World War II where like a guy gets like shot in his flask and that saves his life?
Yeah.
What if the phone like saved his
It
femur?
did.
That's like armor. It's like Apple armor. So when you're on dirt roads like that and you don't know them, even if you do, maybe chill out a bit.
Yeah.
All right, this is the one I think you sent, right?
This guy. God, my people, they're real stupid sometimes, yeah? My goodness.
gosh.
Wait.
Here it is again,
second.
slow motion.
Wait a second, that guy's bike was there?
Yeah, so there he is. He drops it 'cause he sees the train. Boom! The bike spins all the way over there.
So lucky.
Man, I'm sweating.
He had plenty of time to keep going.
through, yeah.
He could have missed that, but he's lucky he didn't lose. He slips.
Oh, and he slips, honey.
His left foot should be gone, and he probably missed it by inches,
How
right?
did the bike not then hit? It didn't
Yeah,
hit
that's
him.
like double lucky.
Because
right
I would
there.
just get hurt, like on the gravel.
It just
walking.
spun. It just spun right behind him.
He got so lucky. Oh my god.
That's so scary.
That's when another train comes the other side, and you're like, oh well.
I love how he stands up and he's just like, oh.
No. Yeah, watch out for train tracks, kids. Here's another video you guys sent me. I think this is in India,
So
right?
good, yeah.
And we do that.
Oh my gosh. That's a good incentive to go fast.
No, that's
That's
CGI,
it.
guys.
Oh
That's
my
not
God.
possible.
No, here it is
Yeah, no,
again.
it's real. This was an oldie, but it's so good.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Boom!
But there's no. I mean, I like cats. Not that one.
Yeah, he's probably like
This is
within
real.
10 feet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're lucky they were going. Yeah, he would have grabbed that passenger and ripped him off.
Dude, he'd be gonzo. Like, R.I.P. You're the tiger. Remember me. Bye.
Yeah.
They don't have fast bikes in India, so that guy must have been like full throttle, like meh.
Yeah, they're like 250s, right?
Yeah, max,
Or
maxed
scooters.
out. Yeah.
All right, let's watch some Moto GP, huh?
This is super fast. What's happened to Marquez here? He tips it in.
Move, baby. Oh!
Deary me.
Oh my.
Wait.
Ooh. Yeah, here it is, a different angle.
Head
Spectacular
hit
finish.
the ground.
Deary me.
Oh my gosh, look at his
Shocking
body
crash
just
of
totally.
Marquez.
He's alive, right?
Oh yeah, all he got was a concussion.
Biggest high sides I've seen
And
in
he
25
wanted to
years.
race. This was in practice, I think, a warm-up.
Unbelievable. He'd had the big scare and turned.
So he loses traction for a split second, right? Loses traction, but then he gains traction.
Okay.
Just a classic high side, right? Just, I mean, he's probably what, 10 feet in the air there.
Yeah.
So
Ooh.
And he's
wait, and the bike's also right there with him. Hmm?
Oh yeah, bike's right there with
Oh wait, it didn't hit him.
I think
The
it's
bike didn't
behind
hit
him, yeah, where the concussion
Thank you,
happened.
that bike.
I'm glad that bike didn't smash him too.
Oh yeah,
That's
honey,
so
you know, you just buff that
scary.
shit out.
This is how you practice for Moto GP.
Cute. What? Shut up.
You gotta get a good lean.
Wow, honey,
Oh, dude,
you
look
got a
at that.
loosey goosey. 'Cause you're so
That's great. That would be me.
no. That's me taking a nap. But
Oh, it's so funny.
I'm glad we got some lightheartedness in this.
I know.
So I'm starting to sweat after that.
You got that? Because now we're gonna go back to an even gnarlier Moto GP
okay.
accident.
know worse.
A little break.
I believe you guys are the ones who sent me this. I said, hey, what are some videos? And you sent me this gnarly
Is this
stuff.
the Valentino Rossi one? Oof.
So they go down. That's not even crazy. That's the crazy stuff.
Clean up on aisle 2. Oh shit.
So here's a different angle. This is on board, or the bike.
And that's Valentino Rossi's dash cam. It's so crazy.
Here we go. The bike comes sliding.
Oh shit.
So
Yeah. So let's go back and check those out. Both go down simultaneously, right? And the bike stays up.
What is that? Phantom Rider?
And then
And then this thing.
look at that one. Right in front.
And did he wait? I'm already. Did he
Yeah.
hit-
So it's behind. It's to his right now. Now it's to his left. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it was like right there, right?
Wow.
Insane.
Wait.
He missed
It
both
missed
of them.
him
Yes.
twice.
Just like, wait a
Yeah.
second.
There's the other one.
You gotta go play the lottery, honey, after that day,
I
because
know.
like you were looking.
Yeah. This is where you can really see it.
Is-
Right here.
Dude, right? Who
Ay,
hit?
Dios mío.
That bike is a foot and a half away from his face, right?
Ay, Dios mío. Mucho.
Oh
I never see these angles, honey.
And then here's the other one. Yeah.
Oh, so he missed both
Oh
of
my
them.
god, my tummy right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's,
Oh,
a,
the
here's a
rain.
less stressful one. But these are the infuriating ones, all right? This one's infuriating, but the next one I want to show you, it made my blood absolutely boil. So I want to make your guys' blood boil and the viewers, so I know I'm not the only one, all right?
Yeah.
This one's quick. Probably
Okay.
this is an old one too. Just cruising in the rain, gets hit from behind, and flips the guy off
Wow.
because he got rear-ended by a truck.
What?
Just cruising along, and all of a sudden, look at that. Yeah, his bike is.
Oh, that's a big
His
bike
bike just
too.
flies.
Damn.
He stays put. His bike accelerates immediately. He goes down.
He's not even wearing. Oh,
That
he's
truck,
just
I-
aquaplaning on it.
Oh yeah, I guess yeah. Truck's completely out of
Thank
control.
God, there was rain in a way. You know what I mean? Like, oh god.
This is California, right?
Yep.
Wait for it.
Great. What the frick?
Yeah.
Wow,
Oh.
it's not a
Messed up.
Prius.
I know, or a Tesla.
Oh,
That's really
lane
funny.
splitting doesn't go both ways. It's for motorcyclists to get in a lane
Wait,
with a
that is
car.
just a hard no. I've never seen something like that in my whole life.
How infuriating is that? Like,
No.
that's so dangerous and just unnecessary.
Let's find this person.
Oh.
There you go.
She's not even.
Screenshot that.
Yeah, she's not even looking at
She's not
him.
clocking it at all.
You got to be more defensive of your lane, I guess, is the only thing. Obviously, it's the car's fault. But to prevent that, don't be on the sides of your lane. Be like, not in the middle, because that's where oil and dangerous stuff is and
Yeah.
gravel, but be where the tire tracks are so a car can't just pass you like that.
I mean,
That's okay. That's
I
so
don't even know where
selfish from
she
the
saw
cars,
that.
though. Yeah, like it's like the cars need to just be more aware
Just
and
chill.
be careful.
give space, people.
I
You're not
just-
going to get sooner to your destination. You might kill someone on the way. Is that worth it?
And
No.
you don't get to lane split. We
I know.
riders do, not cars.
Not in the
crazy.
same freaking lane.
That's
Yeah.
so crazy. Cars
Stay in
lane
your
splitting.
lane.
Guys, quick intermission. Please send us your videos. I know every day, everyone's on the internet
So
all the
many.
time. You see a bunch of videos. Send them our way. We would love to react to them. So, in the comments below, send us a link to them. We'll check them out. While we're here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, send us to a friend. Again, I know it sounds silly, but it really helps us out, hitting that like button. So, hit that like button. Thank you.
Sharing is caring.
Okay, this is just a dude, I think he's in Russia. And he just gets on a bike. No helmet, no protection, not even a t-shirt.
Hola.
He's Russian.
Oh, he's already going super fast.
Wait,
Yeah,
what?
the caption for the video was 180 miles an hour.
Wait.
Yes,
That look painful.
The crazy thing is I skydive, and that's kind of what your face does, but even skydiving, terminal velocity is like 120 miles an hour.
Wait.
So this is faster than skydiving.
Yeah, I mean, he's got bat wings now, baby. He flies.
Dude,
Oh,
he's-
yeah. Oh my. He's trying to
I
smile.
can't even breathe. You're like, you can't even see.
Hello.
Another fun video. Check
babies.
this out. That dog waving at other riders.
Oh,
You're a good boy.
Yeah, he's been on a ride before. He knows the routine.
so cute. I wish my pup could do that.
Love it. Okay,
love it.
this one is a classic one. We hinted at this one in episode 1.
Boy, I
Just
thought
so
you were
know-
gonna pull funny video. We're gonna look at the dude on the trike going through the skate park.
Dude, that's for episode 2. That's episode 2. It's a dude in a Can-am in a skate park, right?
Oh, there's people skating.
It's a skate park. That's
Yeah,
what it should be.
okay,
And he's
yeah.
just being an idiot with his Can-am.
Oh my God.
You know, he's getting a little more confident. You know,
Damn.
already slipping out on the inclines. Oh no, he knows he's being filmed now, so he's
He's going for it.
He's
Here
going
come out the
for it.
cojones. Send it, bruh.
he goes down out of control, whiskey throttle.
Where's he going? Ah! Where is he? Hello? Where are you going, honey?
Dude! Oh
I wish I had this. Oh, you look so sheepish now.
no. Why do you hold on? Just let go.
I
Skids out.
change
Rolls it.
Lands on top of him or something.
I would just, honey, change your name, change your city. Move.
First of all,
You're done.
Just move.
why are you in a skate park?
You can get a Can-am. I have judgments. I'm sure you guys have judgments about them. To each their own. Do your thing. But don't take it to a skate park. Okay, this one's stupid. All right, just setting that up now. This guy, this terrible little kickflip that he almost lands.
Yeah.
Skateboard goes away.
Bye. No.
Oh no.
No.
Oh come
It's
on.
so-
What just happened?
Wait,
Yeah,
wait.
it's so kind of anticlimactic. But this guy just drops his bike out of nowhere because this, I guess, skateboard freaked him out. Which he would have just, I think, just run over it, no problem. But he just right here,
is he
just
he just
drops it.
Aw.
He just like dies instantly. Like he doesn't like move or get up.
Oh,
You know, the video
Florida.
ends, but
I know.
Florida.
boom, maybe got knocked out. I apologize
so-
for that clip.
No.
It happened like he slowed down and everything.
That's
But
like
then-
so dumb.
I got yelled at last time because I ended on like a crazy video. It's pretty fun.
You're gonna end on that?
We're gonna end
You don't
on
have
that.
like a cute kid riding a
Dude, let's-
motorcycle?
so I wanted to end on something a little more lighthearted.
Hello.
she's-
We're in
Holler.
Enduro
Oh,
race.
holler.
Doing some interview on some enduro race, right? And this guy's like, I gotta go.
Serves your ass.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, mouth wide open too.
I was gonna say, you don't need no fake tan. You good.
I like to believe that that guy's not that big of a jerk where he would do that on purpose.
No.
I think he just sped off and she just was wrong place, wrong rooster.
Did you see her hair fly like?
I know. That
Oh
was
yeah,
nice.
she got nailed. Thank you so much, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Again, send us your videos. Pretty much any video you send us that's not crazy, like maybe even crazy ones. Any video you send us, we will put in episode 3. So send us your videos. We'll check them out. Shop tobaccomotorwear.com for all your apparel needs. Half the people in this video could have saved themselves with some tobacco.
Oh my god.
Tobacco motorwear gear, not tobacco. But guys,
Send it.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Send it.